Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to do network marketing on Instagram. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. How to do network marketing on Instagram. Every business owner wants to know how to do network marketing on Instagram. This is one of the fastest growing social media sites and a fantastic way to bring people to your business, and it is quick and easy to set up and get started. How to do network marketing on Instagram is not complicated, but you will have to do some work first. It does take time to build your business, so you will have to be patient if you are trying to generate leads and get a following. Your business will generate leads if you are building a consistent list of followers. The first thing you need to do is use an autoresponder to send out short-to-the-point emails to those who subscribe to your list. Your business will quickly grow if you are following the suggestions in this article, but how to do network marketing on Instagram will also require you to create a strong and interesting product description. You can add content and videos to your landing page, but you should really build your page with a powerful and compelling headline. People love to share and recommend products, and you will quickly learn how to do network marketing on Instagram by learning how to write a great product description. Take a look at some of the top sellers and take notes on how they write their descriptions. Before creating any affiliate products, you will want to start with a solid product description. This will make it much easier for you to attract new clients and get them interested in your business. Once you have a product description, you will want to be able to successfully market your affiliate products. If you want to learn how to do network marketing on Instagram, you need to know how to market your products. There are many ways to attract people to your affiliate products, but it all comes down to whether or not you need to market it. If you are only promoting your products through promotional videos, pictures, or other methods, then you probably do not need to market your products. However, if you are trying to market affiliate products, then you need to give people a reason to want to purchase your products. You will not be able to sell your products if you do not have a strong and compelling offer. If you want to learn how to do network marketing on Instagram, you will need to find a method that allows you to build a community that shares the same interests as you do, and that you can then market through article marketing, sales letters, and other methods. With social media, there is no limit to what you can do, and there is so much potential with free advertising. Many affiliate marketers now promote through the use of free downloadable tools such as Influence Score, boost your business effectively. They help to develop a strong community that can help you market and also encourage and supports your business. As you learn how to do network marketing on Instagram, you will quickly discover that your business is not complicated and will be a lot of fun. While it is certainly true that one should learn how to do network marketing on Instagram, the best way to learn how to do network marketing on Instagram is to actually begin with a successful business. How to do network marketing on Instagram. If you're interested in how to do network marketing on Instagram, there are a few things you should know before you dive in. It's really easy to get into a network marketing business and end up making mistakes that can be costly. A lot of the time when this happens, the person realizes how costly their mistakes have been. One of the disadvantages is you can easily lose money. They're literally betting you will make money off of them, so there is a lot of risks involved. This happens because if you don't make money and they get out, then you have spent a lot of money. One of the ways to avoid losing money in network marketing is you have to make sure you are doing the right thing. You have to find out which businesses to join. You need to have good knowledge and insider information. An easy way to prevent this type of situation is to find someone who has gone before you and find out what they did. Many people give up on network marketing because they do not know where to start. This is a real disadvantage. An advantage to finding out about a business before you join us: you will have an advantage over someone who joins and finds out later. The disadvantage to this is they may not get any advice or guidance that they need. It's important to remember that learning the ropes can help you become a success in a relatively short period of time. Another advantage is you are investing your time. Learning the ins and outs of the business can help you get better at it. It's much better to spend time on something that can lead to a profit in the long run than to spend time doing something that you hate. A disadvantage to social media sites is that you might not get any response if you post something. This is because everyone uses social media to talk to people. Your post will just sit in their inbox for a week or two and then they are probably done with it. It's important to remember you can find and use any information on social media sites. You need to make sure you take the time to learn all you can. Otherwise, you might be doing the same thing as everyone else and it won't get you very far. The next disadvantage is you may get too overwhelmed. One of the biggest advantages is you need to be able to focus on a task. You can't use Twitter to your advantage if you are running around looking for your friends and family. A disadvantage is you can get too close to someone and lose track of time. It's important to remember you need to be disciplined and stay on task. This can be very easy to do in your own home or any other setting, but you need to be able to do it in a structured way. A disadvantage is you may have to be on an expensive course to get started. You need to be careful that if it doesn't sound right, that you don't go on that type of program. It's important to take the time to research any school before you enroll. There are a few disadvantages to this type of business, but there are also a lot of advantages as well. As long as you work hard, keep focused, and stay disciplined, you will find success. It's important to find a mentor or a coach if you need help. How to do network marketing on Instagram. Discover how to find your customers on Facebook. The question you must ask yourself is how to do network marketing on Instagram. If you would like to market your business in this way, the following strategy will be very helpful for you. Before you start thinking of using Instagram to market your product, service online, it is best to get a grip on your business plan and objectives first. If you are just starting up in the network marketing industry, the chances are high that you won't know much about network marketing. So, you need to set a foundation first and make sure that you have a clear picture of what you want to achieve. If you would like to learn how to do network marketing on Instagram, the first thing you should do is to learn about how to determine the target market. Because if you don't know who your customers are, you will never be able to sell your products, services. So, how to do network marketing on Instagram in the first place? This question is what you should be asking yourself to understand the concept of business online. Now, since you already know the market that you want to target, you can proceed to the next step, choosing the right product, service online. In other words, you need to figure out what niche you want to enter and which products, services will fit in this niche. So, if you want to market your product, service online, then you will need to set a clear target market. You also need to make sure that your product, service will fit in with this target market and attract the customers to the shop. If you can achieve this, then you will know that you have a solid base for you to build your business. If you would like to learn how to do network marketing on Instagram, the second question you need to ask yourself is how to find your product, service online. With a strong and stable market already established, it is easier for you to advertise your products, services online. So, how to do network marketing on Instagram? This question is also very important to consider when you are looking to learn how to do network marketing on Instagram. Once you have decided on a market, you can now start thinking about the product, service online that you would like to offer. Once you have chosen your product, service online, you can now ask yourself how to market your product, service online. There are many different ways to market your product, service online. Here are some of the popular methods. The method that has gained the most popularity is the promotion of social media networks. Most marketers chose this method because it can bring new customers and more business to your company. In order to use the promotional method, you need to pick a suitable community. However, you also need to note that not all communities are suitable for promoting your products, services online. Thanks for watching my video about how to do network marketing on Instagram. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.